What's up, guys? In this very short video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do red dirt removal. As you can see, this front porch is pretty bad. The red dirt is probably been staying here for years. I have no clue how long it's been here, but we're going to get this up in this video. And so to do this, we're going to need a special chemical. You cannot use SH to clean red dirt. It will not work. So typically you can either use F9, but today we're going to be using a chemical called Aluminum Brightner, which you can actually just get from Napa Auto Parts. And it's about $16 for a gallon. So step one to clean this surface is going to be to surface clean it. And then after you surface clean it to get as much grime off as possible, we're going to then apply the aluminum brightener, right? And so after we've surface cleaned it and applied the aluminum brightener, we're going to let the aluminum brightener sit for just, a couple of minutes, let it dwell. We don't want it to dry. Just let it dwell for a minute. And then what we're going to do next is go over and surface clean it again. Hence, now we're able to remove a lot of the red dirt. If all of it doesn't come off on the first pass, just simply repeat until it's all gone.